If you have a low-end computer, don't worry. This video shows how to install ENB v3.0 graphics mod in GTA 4 easily. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option and select start download option. Once this download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this low-end computer ENB. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and paste it in the same location. Once you're done taking GTA 4 backup, open the GTA 4 game folder. Select all these files inside mod. Drag and drop inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, the game looks like this. Then you need to die. Now I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.